Pokémon Go Adventure Sync, how to activate on iOS. Monitor your steps whilst you catch 'em all. Journey Sync is a characteristic in Pokémon Go that permits you to monitor steps and earn rewards without even opening the app. How does Pokémon Go Journey Sync work? Pokémon Go's Journey Sync connects with a built-in Apple Health on iPhone and Google Fit on Android. These companies, as soon as enabled, basically turn a mobile device into a pedometer that may monitor the variety of steps taken and distance traveled. This knowledge is then synced with the Pokémon Go app, and the additional exercise is added to your recreation file. Because of the want-to-trace knowledge within the background, utilizing Journey Sync does use extra battery energy. Nevertheless, this further utilization isn't vital, particularly on newer smartphone fashions. Learn how to activate Journey Sync in Pokémon Go. These directions are equivalent for the iOS and Android model of Pokémon Go. Open the Pokémon Go app in your smartphone. Faucet the Pokeball icon. Faucet the circle subsequent to Journey Sync. The affirmation message will pop up. Faucet flip it on greater than OK. The Journey Sync characteristic is now enabled in Pokémon Go. Advantages of utilizing Journey Sync in Pokémon Go. Pokémon Go encourages customers to maneuver extra by connecting quite a lot of in-game duties and quests to real-world bodily exercise. Earlier than the addition of the Journey Sync characteristic, quite a lot of these duties took a very long time to finish, as customers would wish to have the Pokémon Go app open on their system to trace their steps and placement. Now, the app counts a whole day's price of exercise so long as the participant has their smartphone on them and Journey Sync enabled. There isn't a restrict to how a lot strolling Journey Sync can monitor. When you've got the characteristic enabled and go a month without opening Pokémon Go, whenever you do open it once more, your entire steps from the previous month might be instantly imported into your recreation. Listed below are a number of the options which are simpler with Journey Sync. Hatching Pokémon eggs. Eggs in Pokémon Go can solely be hatched by strolling a set distance. 5 km eggs hatch after strolling 5 km, 10 km eggs hatch after strolling 10 km, and so forth. Hatching eggs in Pokémon Go is way sooner with Journey Sync as a result of further steps which are registered. In comes Pokémon Suite, including a Pokémon as your buddy, and strolling with it's going to earn you that Pokémon's kind of sweet which can be utilized to evolve it and others in its evolution chain. The extra you stroll, the extra sweet you learn. Finishing strolling quests. Some discipline analysis quests require you to stroll a sure distance with a particular Pokémon. Journey Sync makes these kinds of actions a lot sooner and simpler to finish. Pokémon Go Journey Sync rewards. Along with ensuring duties simpler and sooner to finish, the Journey Sync characteristic additionally rewards gamers with quite a lot of gadgets at 9 a.m. each Monday based mostly on how a lot strolling they've carried out over the past 7 days. Pokémon Go appears to guesstimate distance traveled based mostly on steps taken slightly than registering a participant's geographical location. This implies you possibly can log a number of kilometers strolling or operating on a treadmill though you're in the identical spot throughout the exercise. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.